Computer fans are devices used to cool the internal components of a computer by circulating air to dissipate heat. They are essential for maintaining the proper temperature of critical parts like the CPU, GPU, and power supply, which generate heat during operation. By drawing cooler air from outside the computer case and expelling hot air, fans help prevent overheating, which can cause performance issues or damage components. There are various types of computer fans, including case fans, CPU fans, and GPU fans, each designed to manage heat in specific areas of the system. Proper airflow and fan placement are crucial for optimal cooling efficiency. Some fans are designed to operate quietly, while others prioritize higher airflow for more intense cooling needs. Additionally, many modern computer fans feature adjustable speeds and can be controlled by the system's software or BIOS, allowing them to optimize performance based on the system's current temperature and workload.